So, Kush, what's your current location?
It is Ujjain MP, sir.
You're in Nigeria, MP.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, we are going to talk about how your career is going to shape up after this training from the course is over.
Yes, sir.
So, first of all, I'd like to hear from you. What is your expectation as of now from this session, next half an hour? What is your takeaway that you are going to get it as per your expectation? What is the takeaway that you are trying to get it?
Uh, so talking about that current session, because I'm working as a software engineer till
Mm-hmm.
now, and
Mm-hmm.
I want to work as a data scientist. I want to take myself as a want to see myself as a data scientist.
Okay.
So so
Got it.
the thing is that my preference is doing work from home, sir. That I want remote job of
Uh-huh.
abroad companies, sir. Those companies which are located abroad and which actually require employees from the remote who can do the work remotely. So this is my preference, sir.
Okay. So, when you say that you are looking for companies who are settled in abroad and who are giving opportunity to work from India, work from home,
Yes, sir.
uh, have you done any research or have you done any homework on this, Kush?
So
Because
some of,
uh-huh.
on the LinkedIn, some companies post their requirements, sir,
Mm-hmm.
on the regular basis, and I
Mm-hmm.
have applied in some of them, but I haven't got selected. My resume never gets selected there, sir, till now.
Okay. So suppose if you're trying to get a job from a company who's settled in abroad and who's willing to give you work from home in India,
Yes, sir.
have you gone through the compliances? What are the compliances that needs to be followed? What are the steps that needs to be done? Have you done your homework there?
No, no, not yet, sir.
So, Khush, see, having aspirations and having aspirations perfectly fine. I am in full support of this. But then we as a court, we cannot meet up the compliances. We can come up with the opportunities, right? But the compliances needs to be taken care by you.
Okay, sir.
So when I say this, Khush, it means that there are certain kind of companies who are settled in abroad and who are giving an opportunity in India.
Okay, sir.
But then you need to work it out how the companies are working. Are these companies? So suppose if you're getting a offer from a company who's setting abroad, so what are the kind of compliances that are there? Will you be an employee of that particular company who's setting abroad, and you'll be working from India? If that is the case, then the compliances will be different. The
Okay,
perks will be different. The remunerations will be different, and also the legal compliances will be different. So that is something which you, once you have set your expectations that you want to get this kind of opportunity, you need to be very clear on the steps which you need to follow. You have to do your homework and find out what are the nitty-gritties involved there, and
okay,
then
sir.
come up with the solution. Accords, we as an accord will definitely give you an opportunity. We'll definitely give you the direction, but the steps needs to be taken care by yourself.
What I learned in the ACODS is of machine learning model. So how to integrate the machine learning model. They didn't go through that way. They just asked me how to make the website, how to use the Google Cloud services. So that portion is completely different altogether, sir, from the data scientist. They actually asked me that what you were doing in this period when we were not doing the job. So I told them that I completed the data. Then they just changed the topic completely altogether. Okay, they come back to the Node.js. That's what they actually.
Okay, so it's good that you have been able to crack an interview from the Node.js perspective, from the backend perspective. But when you are given an interview, you have to be a smart player when you are giving an interview. Suppose if you think that you are strong in data analytics, you have done a certification from us in data analytics, try to bring that particular topic during your interview.
I can present in front of the interview that this I can make the website and I know how to integrate that machine learning model into the website. So will that in that way can I make my profile stronger, sir? So please guide me in this, sir. Whether I'm thinking right or not, because if I suddenly leave the matter altogether, like if I'm working as a backend engineer, I left it in the midway and accept the data scientist role, then what will the expectation of the interviewer, sir?
Okay, so Kush, first of all, you need to create your priority list. Okay,
Okay, sir.
create three priority list numbering 1, 2, 3. Okay, first of all, you need to mention what is your first priority. Are you looking for a brand name? Are you looking for big giants? Are
Okay,
you looking for mid-sized company? Are you looking for small companies? And location.
yes,
One
sir.
priority should be this. Second priority you should make about is the money part. How much money part is going to be important for you? And thirdly, but according to me, this is first, that how and what is your technical growth path in that particular company. If you are able to prioritize this, then probably I will have a better answer on this. But whatever you have said, I totally agree with you. See, IT industry is a completely different ball game,
Yes, sir.
where technology is ever evolving. Technology is changing. It's very dynamic and volatile industry, because if you see, the version keeps changing. Suppose if you have worked on a node version 6 or 7 or 5, whatever it is, and after 1 year that version becomes obsolete, and then the new version comes up, then you have to again update yourself to the new version. Same is with the technology. Suppose if you're working in a big company, and if some application or some portal has been made in Java with Spring
Yes, sir.
Hibernate,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and then they now want to move to Angular.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you have a good experience of Java, and if you have also a fair understanding of Angular, then in any at any point of time you will be the first choice of that particular employer. you are the best evaluator of yourself. Do a self-assessment. Try
Okay,
to
sir.
find out what exactly is your requirement, what is going to be beneficial to you,
Yes, sir.
and do some homework also. See, having expectation and having expectation is fine. It's good to have, but then we also will have certain limitations. So where we have limitations, you have to do your homework. And if you we are anyway going to get the best for you. But if you come across anything, if you in your research or homework